Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be using Apple's latest data persistent framework, SwiftData. This video features a SwiftData model with relationships. To demonstrate relationships, we will be using the most popular examples, categories and products. In our model, we will showcase how to use SwiftData with relationships by having products within categories. Let's get started. Open new project. The project opens with a prewritten example, which we will edit now. Rename item as category. You will see some errors since we changed the class name. Let's fix these errors by simply changing the name. We have get rid of all the errors. We will add category name property in our category class. Xcode will throw an error since we add new property to our model. Let's go and fix this error by adding new property to our new item. Let's add our product model, which will include product name, price, and category that is related with. Let's establish our relationship between category and product. Make sure that you wrote product list into category class. Writing question mark will make your product list nullable. First, you will add category with no product in it, so make sure that your product list is nullable. This is our final model. Since we established relationship, new item expects product in category. Question mark will make category nullable as well. Go to your model container and add your classes to the schema. Rename the item with new category to make it more clear. Let's define some products for our category. We will add products statically for the sake of simplicity in our example. To show products as a list, we will use for each method in category. Rename item as my category. We didn't give names to our categories. You may give names in your example. When you delete category, the products in that category gone as well. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel.